Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you new to Bybit Exchange or you just want to make sure your account is set up the right way? You are in the right place. So in this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create a Bybit account from scratch, avoid common mistakes, and unlock useful features you might not even know about, even if you are not brand new to crypto. So let's keep it simple, clear, and beginner friendly. Stick around and make sure you watch this video to the end. Now let's get started. Bybit is a popular crypto exchange platform that lets you buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. It is beginner friendly, secure, and has features like spot trading, futures, copy trading, and even crypto savings. So to get started, go to Bybit website or the app. So you go to, I'm going to be leaving the link on the description box. So if you want to make use of the link to sign up, then you click on it. If you don't want to make use of the link, you can choose to download the app. So to get started, go to your Play Store and search for Bybit. Take note of the logo. Then you install. I already have a Bybit account, but for the purpose of this video, I will be creating a new account. We are done downloading the app. For the purpose of this video, I will be making use of the app version, but the steps are similar on the website. Click on Open. Once it opens, allow. Click on Sign Up. If you want to use your email to register, then you put that. If you want to use mobile, you can put that. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be using my email to register. Now I'll have to type it. Once you are done typing your email, your referral code, you touch this referral code part, then and input the referral code. I'll be dropping the referral code in the description box. Then I will proceed to paste the referral code. Just copy and paste, then you click on sign up now. Then slide to complete the puzzle. Then a 6-digit code has been sent to this email. So I'll just head to the email and get the 6-digit code. Then proceed to type in 0342. Then I'll be asked to set a password. When you are setting your password up, make sure it's very strong password. Make sure it's a very strong password. So I will proceed to type my password here. Then I'm done. You can see that the whole box is ticked. So I will just click on sign up now. Welcome to Bybit, your gateway to crypto. Now your account is created. The next thing you need to do now is to secure your account with 2FA. Very, very important. So I don't even recommend you come back later to do it because this is very important. You might forget. Go to your profile, which is here. Then you click on security. Here. Once you click on it, you will see Google 2FA authentication. So you need to turn it on. You need to activate this. And how to do that is by, let's go ahead to do that. Touch, then send verification code to this note. So they've already sent a code to my email. You proceed to your email to copy the code that was sent there. So this is the code that was sent there. I will just proceed to input it. 650782. So say please install a Google Authenticator app on your phone. So when you click on continue, I already have the app. For the purpose of this video, I will be revealing this code I can go back to deactivate it. But for you, please don't show anybody this key. So I'll proceed to, I already have a Google Authenticator app. So I won't be downloading it again. But there's something I want you to understand. The Google Authenticator I use is OTI. The reason why I use OTI is this. This I need to update it. The reason why I use OTI is this. Whenever you misplace your phone or anything happens to your phone and you need to recover your 2FA account, once you put your password and your details, everything will come back. But Google Authenticator, let me show you this one. Google Authenticator, this one, but for this one, I also use this one. But for this one, once you lose your phone, it's gone. So all the accounts you link your 2FA app to, you will need to start deactivating them. So it's very stressful. And when you lose your phone like this, it's you have to just start all over again. You can't be able to recover your account. But one beautiful thing about the other one I showed you is that once you lose your phone or anything happens, once you input your details, all your account will be restored back. So if you ask me, I will recommend you use OTI instead of Google Authenticator. But both of them are actually working very well. I use the two. So let's proceed to why we're here. So the next thing we need to do is copy this key and proceed to my Google OTI. Then this is my own here, OTI. This, I'll touch it. Once I touch it, when you have copied the code from Bybit, then I will guide you through this process because showing my screen, because of security reasons, they won't be allowing you to see the screen. They won't be allowing you to see my screen. So, but I will explain it in the way that you will be able to understand. Once you come to your OTI, on your dashboard, you will see a plus sign. That is after you've set up your account. You will see a plus sign. Touch the plus sign. Then once this plus sign opens, you will see add account on top. Then when you come down, you will see scan QR code. Then if you have a barcode, then you can be able to scan the either you add it manually or you scan the code. But for the purpose of this video, we have our code to add, so we'll enter the code manually. So I will just proceed to click on enter code manually. They will ask you to enter the code and you paste the code, click on save. Then they will when you click on save, the next thing that will come out is for you to search the logo name. So if it's Bybit you want to, let's say like now we want to add our Google Authenticator on our Bybit. So it's Bybit we're going to type. You will just type Bybit. Then let's assume you were on Binance or your Binance account and you want to activate your Google Authenticate 2FA there. So all you need to do is to type Binance. But for now, we are working on Bybit, so we're going to type Bybit. Once you type Bybit, then you click on continue. They will ask you to type the name again. So you repeat Bybit. So once you repeat it, the next thing you need to do is to copy the code that appears there. You have to be fast because this expires quickly. So you copy the code, then proceed to your Bybit. Then click on next. Then when you click on next, you input the code, then it will be activated immediately. So anytime you want to log into your anytime you want so anytime you log into your Bybit account, you want to log into your Bybit account, once you put your email, you will be asked to get your Google Authenticator code. So you will just head to that OTI account that you created, then copy the 6-digit code and come here, paste it, then get access to your account. Then you'll be able to log into your account. So another setup you need to do here is the mobile setup. So once you click on mobile setup, this mobile, then slide to complete puzzle. Then verification will be sent to your email. So I'll just check my email for the verification code. Then I'll proceed to type that. Then the next thing you need to do is to add your country code, Nigeria. You can choose your own country if you're not from Nigeria. So search for your country code, then you proceed with the number. So the ones receive verification code, then slide to complete the puzzle. Then I don't know why it's taking time for them to send me the code, but I won't be wasting your time waiting for them to send me the code. So once they send you the code, input it here, then proceed, and that's all. Then let's go back to security. You can choose to, your email is already verified because I didn't get the setup code for my mobile. It's not set up yet. I'll try it again. You can choose to set up a fund password. Then you can also choose to put a passkey. Then withdrawal security, very important. You can also put that. Enable withdrawal address whitelist. Once enabled, you may skip 2FA authenticator. So I don't usually use this one, but the most important thing here is your email and your 2FA authenticator. There may be a passkey. So that is it. Then the next thing we need to look at here is KYC verification. This is not actually mandatory for basic users. Doing KYC unlocks higher withdrawal limits and more features. So if you want that, you can actually proceed to do your KYC. But I will advise you do your KYC. It's very important. You need to upload a valid ID like your passport or your driver's license, and maybe take a quick selfie. Bybit will review this usually within a day, or even doesn't, some of them doesn't even take up to 24 hours to get that done. Because this is not my account, I won't be doing the KYC now. My sister that I created the account to proceed with the KYC later. But if you want to do KYC, you need to touch your unverified ID, then proceed now. You will see where they will say verify your account. Verify now. You click on verify now. Then you confirm the basic things. Click on this box, then click on confirm. Then you see proof of identity. You click on it to proceed. After you finish doing that identity assessment, then you submit. So that is it for KYC. So let's take a quick tour on your new account. Asset will show you your crypto balance. Then you proceed to trade. Trade is where you can start spot or futures trading if you are ready. Then earn. Then when you come to earn, this is where you do finance, savings, dual assets, smart leverage. I'll still come back to all these things. I just want to take you around your account so that you just get familiar with what you're about to do. My next video I will be posting about Bybit. I will teach you how to deposit, withdraw, and make 1 or 2 trades, and also guide you on how to do copy trading on Bybit. And that is it. You now have a fully set up Bybit account. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next video.